Good evening, dear all audience. This is Nivedita of 9th Standard from Paramita Learners Foundation. Happy to see you all. For me, it's a D-Day as I'm presenting my TED Talk, a great opportunity. Thank you, TED team, for giving me an international platform to express my views. Whenever I see a tortoise, I get perplexed. The reason is that it lives for 4 to 500 years. Hope many of you might have read or heard. I read about it a year ago. I thought what I read might be wrong. Then I inquired, googled and had discussion. Finally, I found what I read was right. Really amazing. As right as milk is white. Then my curiosity turned to big. Why and how? Again, I inquired, googled and finally found that its patience makes it live longer. How? I came to a conclusion that its patience while breathing makes it live longer. Yes, it's right. No hurry in breathing. Tortoise inhaling and exhaling takes place only 4 times in a minute. That's the secret of tortoise healthy and long life. The small information of tortoise really awakened my soul. Patience, if we have tons in quantity, will make us achieve everything under the sun. Dear audience, today after my presentation, every one of you will agree with me that the quality of being patient makes our life to have bed of roses. It is said that a man who masters patience masters everything else. I repeat the point again. A man who masters patience masters everything else. So, let's be as patient as tortoise to live a healthy, happy and long life. Now, let's discuss the qualities of being patient. Someone comes to you and says that you're good for nothing. Immediately, many jump into arguments. If you don't get provoked with the above statement and stay calm, then I can say you're patient enough. Fortunes don't favor always, but if you are optimistic enough, when you are in the lap of misfortunes, then for sure you're patient enough awaiting good days. Bearing the pain of loss, not losing temper, the ability to suppress restlessness or annoyance when confronted with delay are few characteristics of a person with patience. Hope many of you might be testing the meter of your patience, relating yourself to the situations I shared. I emphasize that impatience makes one a patient in life forever. I repeat it, impatience makes one a patient in life forever. In my opinion, impatience is a root cause for many disturbances in life. It is a foundation for many ailments. We know it, especially you know it. Still, the talisman of patience is ignored these days. And many people are falling prey to heart attacks. Leave about old and sick. The young are dying because of heart ailments. In many situations, rise in blood pressure, anxiety, stress and anger are few causes of heart attacks in youth. Why? Again, my answer is lack of patience. Every one of you should know that patience controls all emotions. Hence, a man of patience is always healthy, happy and contented. Dear friends, patience is not a philosopher's stone. It exists. No need to wander in forest or climb mountain as many chemists of ancient time search for philosopher's stone which turn everything into gold on touch. It does exist in your heart and brain. It is up to you how to bring it out for a happy and long life. On this occasion, I want to share a story with you which I read on net while I was investigating the topic. A young man walked into a restaurant having studied the menu carefully and ordered his meal. After 25 minutes, a group of young men walked into the same restaurant and ordered their food. To the surprise of this young man, those guys got served first. The group started to have their meal. Laughing heartily, one among the group was telling he knew some waiters in the hotel, boasting of himself how things went faster because of his intimacy with the waiters. This young man was being mocked at by the group, but kept on waiting for his ordered meal. Unable to wait furthermore, he called the waiter and inquired the reason for delay. The waiter calmly said, "Your order is very special, sir. It is being prepared by the chief chefs, but that group's meal was prepared by the students who are in training as chief chefs are busy in preparing your meal. Please have some juice till your order is served." The waiter said so and left into the kitchen. This young man waited with lot of patience. After some time, 6 waiters brought the meal to this young man and started to serve. Actually, the owner of the restaurant was an old friend to this young man. He saw him coming to his restaurant, wanted to surprise his friend and served a 5-star hotel meal to his friend. The other guys who mocked at this young man were shocked and started murmuring among themselves, asking why they didn't get that kind of service and meal. The same thing happens with our life. Some people are ahead of you, laughing at you, saying how they know the people, how they are happy, how they are blessed. You have been waiting for long for your break through tolerating the mockery of others. You might have decided to commit suicide, suffer from depression and mental anxiety. Don't worry, the owner of the universe, the God Almighty saw you. You are his cup of tea. The owner of the world wants to give you a special meal. He, being the chief chef, doesn't want to give you a simple meal like those are laughing at you. You have been waiting with lot of patience. Yours is a special meal. It takes time to prepare, but will be more delicious and sumptuous comparing to others. ऊपर वाले के पास देर है, अंधेर नहीं. Your patience will make your history written in golden words. You will be an icon because of your patience. Dear friends, I strongly presume my short talk of today made you assess the meter of your patience. So, let's be as patient as tortoise to live a healthy, happy and long life. Thank you.